today we will be unboxing a wig. As you can tell by the title, we'll be unboxing a wig. So we will be unboxing, and it's not really dyeing, but it's more like washing. And I will be explaining that in a second. Today we have a wig from, as you can tell by the description, Beaufox. Now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did open it already. Beaufox, not completely sure, but this is how the box come. It came in a, so I ordered it off of AliExpress. So it came in, how did it come? It came, I think it was in a FedEx package. Yeah, it was in a FedEx package. And this is how it looked in the inside. So I still kept everything in a box and everything. So when I open it up, the wig is wrapped in a hairnet. It has like the little paper in between and styrofoam to keep its shape. It comes with wig caps. This is like exactly my skin tone. Wow, this is almost my skin tone. I might not have to, if I put this on my head, I might not have to, you know, put foundation on my stocking cap and everything. I'm gonna try this instead of the stocking caps that I have, because if you know, the stocking caps that I have are like more like a tannish color. So I'm gonna try this instead of the stocking caps that I have. So that's what it came in a box, and then it comes with a thank you card. Yes, like writing on the back, but it's just like a thank you card. And that's it that came in the box. Let's get to this wig. Alright, so like I said, it came with the paper in it. Hairnet. It comes with a, I'm over here messing stuff up. It comes with the care instructions. Can y'all see that? With the care instructions. Okay, so this is, I ordered, and I paid with this with my money. I ordered an 18-inch BodyWave, you know, 613 wig. I believe this is, I'm guessing it's a lace front. I think I ordered a lace front. I usually, lately I've been really loving like the full lace wigs, just because like you can part it anywhere. I've noticed that lace front wigs, depending on who you order them from, they come, I'm like a side part, and I'm not like, I'm a side part girl. So most of the time when I part it on the side, it doesn't leave much parting space. So it's kind of, it just doesn't look as good. But yeah, I'm hoping that this is a little better as far as the parting space, because I hate that little, yeah. But anyway, this is the wig. It is super duper soft. Oh my god, it feels so freaking good. Like, this is like one of the best 613 wigs that I've felt. This feels really good. I have had the 613 bundles before, and if you've had the bundles, then the wig pretty much feels the same exact way. Just extremely soft. Like I said, the processing of the hair just kind of, it just hurts the hair. So most 613 hair is going to shed. The question is it minimal shedding or just excessive shedding? So that's the only thing. I did it a second time. I got one strand and one short strand. All right. Yeah, that was it. So hopefully that will be it. But anyway, okay, so this is how the lace looks. It is pre-plucked. It comes with 3 combs, like, and I guess this will be the middle of the cap because this is like the front. And then one in the back, it comes with an adjustable strap. These are the 3 combs, and then the one in the back. So yeah, like I said, the hair is really soft, silky, doing this thing. All right, you guys, so yeah, pre-pluck, gorgeous. Let's see what we doing. All right, so I have an idea in my mind. Now, my idea came from Miss Bougie Barbie. If y'all don't follow her, go follow her. She's like she's an entrepreneur. She has a bunch of business like videos. If you want to start a business, she has wholesale. She does beauty. She does a lot of stuff. But anyway, I had this idea from her. She had a 613 wig and she toned it. So it's not dyeing it, but it's toning it. And she toned it with this Shimmer Light shampoo. And so I'm going to get a picture and I'm going to insert it like somewhere on the screen of how her wig came out looking. But it was like, it was this silver lavender type of color. And all she used was this shampoo. So I'm going to try to recreate that because I absolutely fell in love with her wig when she did that. The crazy part about it, I said that I was not going to wear like a gray wig or whatever, gray silver wig. Because I'm like, yo, like, I'm getting gray hairs in my head. Like, I don't want a gray wig too. But, yeah, we're going to try it out because, like I said, I fell in love with how it looked and everything. It definitely changed my mind about me wearing a gray silver wig. So, like I said, this is the shampoo, Shimmer Lights. You can find this. I would say Amazon, but right now they have really long shipping times because of everything that's going on with the virus. But I got this from, where did I get this from? It wasn't a hair store because all our hair stores are closed right now. So where did I get this from? Target. Yeah, I found this at Target. You probably could find it at Walmart, or if you have a really good like grocery store aisle that carries like really good hair products, you might can find it in there. But yeah, like Target, Walmart, yeah. Yeah, so let's get into what we would be doing. All right, you guys. So as you can see, I put on my cap and everything. I did use the one that they sent me just because I want to see how this is going to look. But this is how the wig came out. I washed it twice because the first time that I washed it, I actually felt like the blonde was showing more and there wasn't enough of, I guess, like the silver color. But It seems to be, I guess, as it dried, it comes up more silver looking, but I'm hoping that, like to me, it kind of looked like a toned blonde, but some parts are silver, and then you have like the lavender, like purple parts. Because I used a lot of shampoo because I really wanted to get that look that she had. But, yeah, so I plucked the hairline a little bit because it looked a little bulky. I didn't do too much to it, but I did do a good amount. Um, it doesn't look too bad now, but it's still a little bulky. Hopefully, once I straighten and comb it and everything, it'll come out a little bit better. But you'll have to, I'm sorry to do this to you guys, but you'll have to watch my next video in order to see me styling it, just because I don't want to make this video too long. And I know me styling it and installing it is going to actually take a good minute. I plan on doing wand curls on it. If you, I'm gonna leave a link down below just so y'all could check out her video, but that's what she did, was wand curls. I was debating on wand curls and whether I wanted to crimp it. I wanted to crimp it because I wanted, like, I guess like that look, and I don't use my crimper that often, but I wanted some real big, like I wanted it to be like some big curls, so hopefully I can wand curl it good. But anyway, definitely stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications. Click that bell just so you can see when I upload my styling video. It'll obviously be right, you know, after this video. But definitely tune in because I really want you guys to tell me how you feel about how I slayed this look. I'm going to leave the link down below. Go check out her video and see if y'all think that I like slayed it just like she did. But yeah, tune into my video, subscribe, click the bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.